Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you are doing great. I am also well by the grace of Almighty God. My name is Porosh, and today in this video, I would like to share something very special with you that happened to me recently. It's about my learning English journey and how it's inspiring not only me but also the people around me. As many of you know, I have been working hard to improve my speaking skill, and I have been making videos, sharing my progress, and receiving so much love and support from all of you. So that's why I am grateful to my friends, to my teachers. They always showing the love to me, even from the strangers. But there was one moment that really touched my heart. Just 1 week earlier, I was having lunch with my father, and when I received a phone call, and that was from my primary school headmaster. Yes, my old school headmaster. He told me he had watched my videos on Facebook, and he was really surprised that I am making English video, and he admired the effort I am putting into learning English and the way I am making video. And when I heard these things from him, I was really inspired a lot. And he told me, Porosh, keep going forward, you are doing so great, and English is very important for our life. And he also told me that if I want to get a good job and if I want to get better opportunities in future, I should learn English. And after hearing this, then I feel very motivated, and I thought I should go forward because I'm doing such a good thing. And that time my father was also sitting beside me, and when he heard this from my primary school headmaster, and then he feels also very happy. And he also told me, yes, Porosh, you are doing good thing. So many people appreciate your work, so you should continue this. Although now we live in a city, but my headmaster, primary school headmaster, called me from our village. I also know him personally because in our village we live very close. So that's why my father also know my headmaster. And when I'm hearing this type of things from my primary school teacher, a person who taught me when I was young, it's meant a world to me. So that's why I'm feeling very motivated, and I'm feeling very inspired now. And I hope I will continue my journey. And nowadays, so many people just appreciate my work, just showing their love to me. And this is something I always looking for. And now in my city, wherever I go, people know me because of my English videos. That's such a good thing for me. And I hope I will continue my journey. I will go ahead. But for that reason, for this I should get support from you guys. If you support me, then I will continue my journey. Okay, this is the thing. And yeah, it's a beautiful morning in our city, just 6:30 a.m. I just wake up from sleep, so that's why I'm not speaking properly even. So yeah, this is the view, awesome view. Okay, so this is the thing, when I woke up, that time I thought I should go outside and share this happiness with all of you. So this is the reason why I come outside, and now I'm making a video. So I don't want to make it more longer. Always keep practicing, keep learning. If you are also learning English, keep going forward. Someday, one day or other, you will be successful. Okay, so that's all for now. I don't want to make it more longer. Thanks for watching. All the best.